Welcome friends to different tech channels. So today I'm going to tell you about AppLock features. This is video part 2. So as you can see, there are two calculators. So can you identify AppLock app here? So as you can see, there is no AppLock app here because so if you press this calculator app, it is the app lock, so it has been hidden by dice quiz. There is a option called magic, so here as you can see here, so it is the option magic. So as you press the option, so it will show the option the icon camouflage. So you have to envelop this option to dice quiz the app lock app. So if I press this option, so as you can see there showing that mainly three options. So we can set this app lock as a calculator, compass and spirit level. So you can choose some of them to change the app lock icon so that no one knows. So I will select any of these one. So one of that you need as your environment. So I will select calculator. So you have to choose this calculator icons. So in these apps you have to correctly tap on calculator. So it has been said it will show a ad, so just skip that. So it has been saying setup successfully, so the app will be removed and please enter the new calculator icon. So it has been showing that we have to close this app, so and we will search for that app. So as you can see, so as we refresh, so it has been showing calculator icon as an app lock. So there are two calculators, so there is no app lock app present here. So it will start with app lock up. So as you press this button, so as you can see the app lock works. So you can use this to hide app lock so that they cannot delete. So it also has the option that it cannot be deleted without your pattern or password. So it is safe to use this. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. So there are many options that you can use this app. So you can also power saving mode. It will reduce battery usage and or drain battery. So you can enable this option. So there is also called advanced options. So there is also relock screen on. This will app will automatically lock the app as you close this app. So you can use this. So please like and subscribe to my channel. So if you have any doubt, please comment in below.